Empower doesn't use a traditional cancel subscription system for most users, because the app works through account access, bank connections, and optional features instead of a single locked-in membership. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop using Empower, how to disconnect your bank safely, and what steps actually matter so your account is fully closed or inactive. Start with the most important step. Removing your bank connection is the first thing you should do. Empower relies on your linked bank account to function, so disconnecting it immediately stops new data syncing. Inside the app, go to Settings and find the Bank or Account Connection section. From there, remove your linked bank account. Now, move to the second step. Check for any active cash advances. If you have an outstanding balance, you cannot fully close or stop usage until it is resolved. You need to review your account section and confirm whether any repayment activity is still pending. Now, move to account deactivation. Empower typically requires account closure through its in-app support or account settings area. Dial IDU. Look for an option related to account closure, deletion, or support request submission. If it is not visible in settings, you may need to contact customer support directly through the app. Now explain what most people miss. Simply deleting the app from your phone does not cancel anything. Your account still exists in the system, and your bank connection may still be active, unless you manually remove it. Now explain what happens after cancellation. Once your account is closed and bank connection is removed, Empower can no longer access your financial data. That effectively stops cash advance eligibility and any future app activity tied to your profile. Now give a simple checklist. First, remove your bank account connection. Second, check and clear any active cash advances. Third, request account closure through settings or support. Fourth, confirm that no active connections remain. Now, summarize the key points. You cannot cancel Empower just by deleting the app. Bank connection removal is the most important step, and full closure usually requires support or in-app account settings. One practical next step that died. Open your Empower settings right now and disconnect your bank account first, because that immediately stops the app from accessing your financial data. Like and subscribe for simple step-by-step guides on finance apps without confusion or missed steps.